Hey guys, so one thing I see in the barbershops a lot is that when people are about to use scissors, they'll just kind of spray a little bit of water on there, go, that's enough, and start cutting. All of this is still dry. This is kind of damp. We don't have any even saturation. So today's kind of tip is to evenly saturate the hair. And when I say saturate, I mean get the hair so wet that it's about to drip. And the reason we want to do that is because when the hair is wet, it swells and expands, and it gets just a little bit longer. It also gets a lot easier to cut. So when we're using scissors, we want to make sure the hair is as easy to cut as possible, but we also want to make sure that each hair is evenly saturated so that it's as long as the hair next to it, things like that.